Hello everyone, we're here for another Reval monthly market wrap for the 412 postcode, this time for August. Without further ado, I'll quickly run through some of the numbers for the month. As you can see, we've got a bit of a pickup in listing numbers this month. So last month I was talking about quite low numbers. This month, you can see that in particular in Mount Gravatt East, there has been a bit of a pickup. Which has been good to see, a bit more stock coming to market, and you can also see that in the number of sales. There's a few more sales happening locally. Healthy numbers, I would say. Look, still well below what is a normal trend for this time of the year and generally in this marketplace, but up from those incredible lows that we saw last month. So 10 sales in Mount Gravatt East, 7 in Mount Gravatt, which is actually for Mount Gravatt is a very low suburb, low volume suburb, so that's some good numbers there. And you see the averages here. Most of the sales that have happened in this month have been kind of typical run-of-the-mill homes for those suburbs. So you can see the averages are sitting around that kind of normal volume with a couple of standout sales. Also looking at the days on market, as the same with last month, very healthy numbers. Things are selling quite swiftly, but most of the days on market are in the 40s and 30s. So as you can see, things coming to market, they're all selling. The market is very, very strong. Moving along to the sales, some of our standout sales for the month. Here we have number 25 Westbrook Street in Mount Gravatt East. I would say, yeah, pretty typical kind of post-war home, very well presented, but nothing truly amazing. 3 bed, 1 bath, 617,000. So yeah, that's kind of a really solid result without being anything spectacular, but prices are on trend. Next, probably the standout sale for the suburb. It is a brand new build, 87 Margate Street in Mount Gravatt East. 1.1 mil for that one. Again, brand new home, but 1.1 is kind of, that's really solid money for a new build in that area. So very good prices on, yeah, typical split block there, a 405 block. Next, we've got a few in Mount Gravatt this month. So number 5 Doheny Street in Mount Gravatt, 3 bed, 2 bath. I would say this is quite a good sale for that area. Really well presented, nicely, tastefully renovated. This home, 770, which for an original but renovated home in that area is a very solid result. So an excellent sale on 693 block, that one. Next, number 25 Amsterdam Street in Wishaw. That is a 3 bed, 2 bath, 720 that sale, which is again pretty it's a typical kind of home for that area, but a bit of renovations, very tastefully done in a nice pocket that people are wanting to buy in one of those original double brick homes. So yeah, good result on that one. Moving along now to number 46 Verbena Street in Mount Gravatt. Again, another one in Mount Gravatt where we had 0 sales last month. 4 bed, 1 bath, that one on a 549 block for 695. So yeah, another solid sale there. Again, nothing truly amazing in that home. Well presented, some renovations done, but nothing truly amazing, and yeah, near enough to 700. So that is again a very quality sale. Next, moving along to, I would say this is also a very good sale, this one, number 4 Hagen Street in Upper Mount Gravatt. Big home, 7 bedroom, one of those typical old double brick yellow glass homes, but looks like it's had a few extra bedrooms added in the downstairs to make it a much bigger home. 3 bed on a 615 block, but 795, so near enough to 800. I would say that's a really quality sale in that area. Pushing probably well above the norm for that type of house in that area. So yeah, cracker sale. And lastly, we've got number 106 Hertford Street in Upper Mount Gravatt. Fairly typical original home for the area, but renovated really well, very tastefully, and presented, yeah, excellently. 719,000, so that is a cracker sale in Hertford Street. For Upper Mount Gravatt, that is punching way above the average for just a renovated original type home for the area. So yeah, that's our monthly market wrap for August in the 4122 postcode. I hope you found it helpful, and you know, you got some value out of some of these stats and some of the local sales. I tried to run through it a bit quicker this month, but as always, I'd love to have any feedback. Let me know in the comments what you thought, or you liked or you didn't like. Cheers.